Hi, this is Aman, battling from my own struggles right now, and I want to be a content creator or just like become a personality basically. I'm a creative person who loves to be creative, who loves to explore, but right now, due to my mental health, I'm unable to focus on these parts, and literally, it's like very bad for me right now because I'm unable to do anything. I just had an interview yesterday, but I'm not sure that I want to work there or not. I want to study culinary arts, but I'm not sure that I will do it or not because I don't have any funds to do it. Basically, people say you don't need funds, you just need your mind. You can just work smartly to do whatever you want to do. But right now, it's very hard for me to like just process anything. So I'm just like starting this video diary, vlog, whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, hopefully I'll stay constant to this so that I'll be posting these on my channel and you guys be with me in this journey, like from coming out of this struggle and being happy in life, having purpose, so that whoever is watching this can get a little push or motivation that you can also do it. So see you on the flip side. Yeah, so that's me. That's what I was feeling few weeks back, but right now I'm feeling little better, and that's freaking normal if you are feeling that way. If you are not sure what you wanna do in your career, your studies, if you wanna crack, if you will be able to crack that interview or not, or if you wanna go with that job option, if you wanna go with just giving yourself some time, just take a pause. Just take a pause. If you need to see a doctor, see a doctor. If you think you need some rest, take some rest. If you need some sleep, take a nap. If you need some food, take some food, and do whatever you like to do basically in this phase. This thing I mean ki depression, anxiety, or like going through any fucking mental disease, treatment, whatever you are going through, if you are feeling not good, if you are feeling overwhelmed, if your emotions are taking over you, that's what I'm talking about basically. So that's so normal. Like जैसे मैं नहीं कर पा रहा content creation, that's okay. I'm recording right now and I don't care how do I look and how my hair are, like how you are gonna see me, how like are you gonna judge me or not. Like I'm not thinking about that. Basically I'm just doing what I like, and I think ये करने से मुझे वो चीज़ मिल रही है, कॉन्फिडेंस मिल रहा है कि हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ. और लाइक कुछ देर पहले मैं ऐसी बेड पे लेटा हुआ था, लाइक आलस आ रहा था, आई वाज सो लेजी, लाइक प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग फॉर एवरीथिंग, एंड बट अभी एकदम से मैं अपनी वीडियो देख रहा था तो मैं था कि ठीक है ये उसका पार्ट है तो इसको कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए. एंड या दैट्स मी एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो मी, सो यू कैन बी द सेम एंड लेट्स नॉट स्टॉप इट. Just keep doing something. If you wanna like have some rest, take rest, go for travel, do something which you like, which you love to do, go for a hobby class, do some painting, do some doodling, listen to some music, and I think that's how you're gonna go through this thing and you're gonna make it. That's what I'm gonna say. And take care. See you in the next meeting. Bye.